Hey everyone, we're back on the CC sub as we try and chase a newly repainted GE C30-7. The locomotive was cosmetically restored at CSX's Huntington, West Virginia shops. As we watch it roll by here in Falmouth, here's a little bit more about it. The locomotive is on its way to the Kentucky Steam Heritage Corporation in southeast Kentucky. The nonprofit says the engine was in danger of being scrapped. The former Louisville and Nashville C30-7 now looks much like it did when it was delivered to the L&N in 1980. In a release, the nonprofit says this is thanks to a collaboration with CSX. CSX repainted the engine in its original scheme using diagrams from the L&N Historical Society. We'll get ahead of it and catch it in Cynthiana. Dash 7s would have been common on the rails in the 80s and 90s. The L&N ordered 44 of them between 1979 and 1980. 7067 was retired by CSX in 1999.
Yeah, lead at Q539-19. 539-19. Containers gonna set back on behind you. Can I get you a milepost location? 0KC 65.9, over. 65.9, and that engine does set off at the patio. Alright, we thank you. I guess KY pass over. Yep, that sounds good to me. Alright, here we go. Thank you. Lead dispatcher.
It was eventually given to the Collis P. Huntington Group in 2017 by CSX and stored in their south yard. The group was looking to liquidate some assets, including 7067. It was too costly to move for many rail preservation groups, so the Historical Society started looking to have it scrapped. Hold on, we'll catch it one more time in Paris. The nonprofit says in late summer of 2021, the engine was towed several miles from its display site to the Huntington shops. It was stored there until it could be ready to be shipped to Kentucky.
3318 South Q539-19 clear Paris. CSX 3318 South Q539-19 approach limited. Ready. 18 South Q539-19. Limited clear, James. Yeah, lead at Q539 over. 539 over. Local aspect, just have you put the cars and engine there on the 2, and then they'll take care of them here in a little bit. Put them on for 2. Okay, thank you. 18 South, Q539-19.
We'll spot it in action one last time before it gets dropped off at the patio yard in Winchester. The nonprofit says the engine is one of the last remaining of its kind in the United States. Once it arrives at the facility, it will be on display in the yard. A dedication ceremony is being planned for later this summer. The nonprofit also plans summer visitor hours, which will give you the opportunity to see the continued progress on other projects at the facility. Well, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed it.